Hey everybody, so today I bought my first Note series phone. They call it Phablet, but it's 512 GB and it only comes in one color, Mystic Black. So you might have seen a lot of unboxing videos. The purpose of this video is just, I'm just so glad and I want to see like how this works. I'm switching back from Galaxy S8 Plus, my old one. I'm always a fan of Galaxy phones, and I like them. Basically, one of the main reasons is their camera quality and their expandable storage by memory card. So that being said, let's quickly unbox the phone and see what it comes with. Okay. By the way, I like the Samsung's boxing, always a fan of Samsung boxing. Their boxes are very nice. Oh, it's good box. Silk cover. Okay, so let's put this on the side for a minute and let's see what comes in the box. This is the Samsung pad. Cool. So it comes with a super fast charging adapter. If I know this correctly, I think this is 25 watts. And I'm not sure even. What is this one? Looks like some kind of packaging. This is the package. And this is the charging cable. I'm surprised that they didn't send the headphones this time, so that's a bit surprising. Wow, this metallic finish on the back, on the front. You can see the side-by-side comparison between the S8 Plus and Note 20. This is Ultra, Note 20 Ultra, 512 GB by the way, and it only comes in. Okay, so let's peel off the back cover. Wow, so nice metallic finish. If you see like side-by-side comparison, right, this one was not that much metallic. This one has something else, right? I mean, you can actually see your reflection in it. And camera comparison, it has a laser focus also this time. Lot has been said about the camera and all. So let's set up the phone quickly, and we'll see you on the other side after the phone is set up, and I'll show you what is the difference between camera and all. I'm setting up. Just look at the I'm like speechless, like compared to this screen that I had, and even if I do fully, it's not gonna match this one. Look at this. Just see the difference. Screen size is so big. I mean, it's so lightweight compared to this one. This is like, I thought this would be a thicker one. This is like lightweight. So I really like the weight is little less. So let me set up the Wi-Fi first. Let's see. To set up the Wi-Fi. I'm just checking for any additional updates or anything. Put this on the side. It's taking a while. Okay, let's not copy anything for now. I will set up that later. Checking info. I like the notch, it's pretty simple. You have to put on your Google. One thing, while I was setting up my Google account, I noticed that I forgot my password. So what happened was, since my phone was on the side and I had Google account on my another phone, it detected and it helped me reset my password. So I'm in the phone now and Samsung account, I'll do that later. later. I'll do this all later. Unused apps. Okay. The default wallpaper is just wow. Okay. I haven't put on any SIM cards yet. I'm just gonna do a lot of settings first to see how to set up this phone and everything. But let's quickly go and check the camera. That's what I'm interested in. Okay, so it's a single take. Okay, so in single take, photo, video, and then more. There are more options like Pro, Panorama. So this is the difference. I think earlier unused apps. The default wallpaper is just wow. Okay. I haven't put on any SIM cards yet. I'm just gonna do a lot of settings first to see how to set up this phone and everything. But let's quickly go and check the camera. That's what I'm interested in. Okay, so it's a single take. Okay, so in single take, photo, video, and then more. There are more options like Pro, Panorama. So this is the difference. I think earlier it was not there was no more option. I think because the options in this are little more, so they give like separate menu for different types. Like for example, Pro, Panorama, food, night, live focus video, Pro video, super slow motion and slow motion. Earlier I had this slow motion and super slow motion both. So kind of the same thing, but I think live focus, this night one, and probably Pro video is something new. Of course, the camera quality is way better than it had. So let me click some pictures. So I see that the zoom it's 50x. Wow. Let's put that into perspective. How about we do 50x? So that's okay. See? This is 5x. This is 10x. Let me focus on this handle. Let's do 20x there. Still not so clear though, but it's handle. Let's try to focus some stuff. Okay. If I focus on my water bottle, it's quite strong enough, you see. I won't say it's strong, but strong enough. Let's try to do the picture. So as you can see, the picture is probably not that great that I was seeing. Probably, I don't know. I'm just probably learning a couple of things. Might have to do a lot of settings on this, but so far so good. It looks quite promising. Filters, my filter, and then face. Oh, why it's not working. And there's some filters. So these are some new stuff that I think came out. Let's try it again. What is a single take? 10 seconds. And this is a video. I think you can record probably 8K videos. You see, there's an 8K option. Very high quality video it records. But when you start the 8K video, I think it's beautify thingy goes okay. So I'm pretty impressed with the camera. To a regular person, say I'm not too expert in those things, but as long as it clicks good picture, I'm very happy. That's the whole purpose of buying this. And let's try to see the selfie camera. way better. If I see this one and if I see this one, right, so this one looks more clearer, more in depth, and yeah, so this one is way better. This is, mind you, this is like full, I put it like in a full brightness. This one I haven't put brightness yet. Let me see. Full brightness looks like on this. So it's just whole different quality, you know. It's more clear. Yeah, I would say crystal clear, you know. So yeah, I mean, Note 20 looks Ultra looks really cool on the camera side at least. So,